5 Best Interior Door Handles. Here is the product number 5. 1-piece left black interior door knob. 1-piece left black interior door knob hand grip handle for Renault Clio 1999 onwards, Megane 1998 to 2002, Scenic 1999 to 2005. Brand name Auto Leader. Placement on vehicle left. Unit type, piece. Package weight, 0.1 kilograms, 0.22 pounds. Here is the product number 4. FUNDUOO high quality chrome door handle. Brand name FUNDUOO. Special features chrome cover. For vehicle brands / model Renault. Renault model Megane. Material type hits made by high quality rubber and high carbon steel. Material type high quality ABS plastics with triple chrome surface finish. Car model, for Renault Megane 2002 to 2008. Here is the product number 3. Car right, left interior door handles. Up for BMW E93 series sedan, wagon genuine inner door handle trim cover, right. This trim is new in original packaging, never been used or installed. This trim is black plastic and it fits passenger side front and rear inner handle. For BMW number 51417230850. Material. Primary color, black. Here is the product number 2. Black left right side car interior door handle. Color, black. Main material, plastic. Placement, right side. Quantity, 1 PC, right. Features, durable and replacement. Black plastic interior right car door handle for Renault / Clio / Megane / Scenic. Material type plastic. Placement on vehicle right. Here is the product number 1. Core interior door handles inside inner. Type interior door handle. Color black and silver. Weight, 70 grams. Placement on vehicle front left. Front right. Rear left. Rear right. Fitment, for Jack J3 J3S J3 Touran 2009 to 2015. Brand name Ozin. Material type plastic case aluminum dip. Special features car door handle. Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel. Drop a like, comment and share.